We want to find the area of this triangle, and the formula for finding area of a triangle is area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. So let's begin by identifying the base and the height. We need to find the 90-degree angle. Where we find the 90 is where we find the base and the height, where they come together. So when I look at this, I realize that the 14 will be my height, and that's fine. And then I need to make decisions. I'm going to treat this base as one single unit. And in order to do that, I'm going to add 16 plus 8, and that gives me a total of 24. So I'm going to treat this as a single triangle. We'll talk more about that at the end. Now that I have that, I'm finding the area, so that remains as my variable. I have the 1/2. The base is 24, and the height of the triangle, like I said earlier, is 14. Sometimes I think we get confused and we think, height can only be top to bottom, your triangle can't be sitting on its point. None of those things are true. Your height and your base occur where you find that 90, where those sides come together at a 90. Now that I've identified my base and my height, I can multiply 1/2 times 24 times 14, and that gives me a total of 168. In terms of my units, we're measuring in linear units with meters, and then when we multiply to find the area, we get square units. So when we calculate the area, or we find the area, we end up with a squared unit. You could have done this problem differently. I'm not going to go through all of it, but you could have found the area of this triangle and the area of this triangle and added them together to find the area of this entire piece. That is a perfectly acceptable way to do this, and if you do all the parts correctly, you should have ended up with the same answer.